Panapan po, kaya katamungan. Bali po, yung tutumanan din, on my way here, actually, may sabi ko po, sabi ko ay, kay Atagal, isang aking opening, but may confirm ko that I will be coming, din po. Nandun, nakasabi kay board member Rosti, sabi natin na may karatang niya, and sabi natin, ako masaya yan, na egatin siya kinigit na nung makanano itang camaraderie ng grupo. Sabi ko, Pin, nung masaya ka, mas masaya ako. Kasi yung tutuman, haliwa po, detang mamuntukan yung KKPK, and at the same time, yung mabuhuya po yung mag-apply kayong accreditation ng isang duling panalawigan. And po talagang they were very active and they were very participative. Yan po mag-committee hearings kami, talagang full force lang dinatang. Makangyayari po syempre, balo mo naman po yung katamong advisor, Reverend Al, na every now and then, he makes it a point to text or chat me, para pumatin niya online kumbaga PDP. Nandun po isipan din, sabihan na rin Kapampangan, pag sinabi na Kapampangan, ano po yung usually maging comment niya katamo? Mayabang, di ba? Mayabang, ngayon mayabang, malago. Sigurado yan. Pag lakong kaya pinipiyan Rosby natin, ano kayo, sabi ko nga pala, may kisa na din malago, ito lang ang palakeni. Naku, hindi niya ako But seriously, what sinabi ng Kapampangan normally, what comes to the mind of many, mayabang. But in reality, we Kapampangan, hindi po mayabang, but we are bold. When you say bold, we are confident. Bago akong bago malakas talo. Nandinisipan ko, mga labot ko. Nandinisipan ko, ano kaya naisip ng Sir Jet Li to start KKPK? Not everybody has the guts, no? In reality po, biro-biro. To form an organization. Lalo na, kung balo mo yung organization na yan, kumbaga, hangad na, sumawak. Aki kami po napin, believe kami kaya tayo. Kasi balo nakaras king funding, talagang more on volunteerism. Voluntary po. Ako man mamilit, tabi sa sumaw, di po ba? Pero, pauli na kasipagan nyo, nanti sabi ko, pinaya pa kayo, may napunta na kayo kay Kongreso, o Senado. Ako, mag-15 years na ako pumanong po na, kami punta ka rin, thank you po. Pero because of your boldness siguro, itang kapagnasan nyo na talagang, kumbagang, manikuang sao para abalik nyo. Kaya kaya tamong fellow Kapampangan. Actually, aliman mo kay Kapampangan. Miras na kay Bicol, miras na kay Batangas one time. I remember, Taal, yung may magpong Taal, itom, minaw sa kanta, nung tinatang vehicle going to Taal para padala-dala dito kasoban. So, ibali po, papatoyuan, these are the characteristics of a genuine Kapampangan. And ito man, what you're showing us, di kami pong elected officials na po, inspire us. Ito po yan. Ali kay pamulan na kayo po. Isipan niya ako, nung Bening NGO are very active. I remember when I was a kid, and I was young, yan po nitatak yung utak ko yan. Siguro, din po marangal ka rin po kaya katamong officers na tawag ko, halos may kasing edad kayo. Matuwa mo siguro nga doon dilo ka rin. Pero yung anak kami po, bago yun, gwagwa, lagi niyang ikwento yun. Yung balen po ka rin, potang minuran, ako, magsaya na punta, kasi lumbog. Potang lumbog, ulit pong tao ko po plaza, potang lumbog, karin na lumwala din bangka. At yung bangka, kingarap yung bale, atin po yung Venice of the Philippines in Guagua ng time. Ito talaga, makabangka kami mata. So, as a child, isip na nitang dulot na perwisyo, akong peligro, nitang albog. Pero, masaya ako kasi, bali po bakit, yung bale, ako akalingon, during that time, yung anak ko, akali ko lang yung NGO. Liwang NGO, they were very active. And potang active na din NGO kay metong nga locality, yan po magpalakas kay Balinita. And what you're showing us, napit sa sabiyang upin, inspires us and motivates us, kasi di kayo po itutulak ka rin manukulan na talagang kailangan ipapagsipagan, ulit marakal pa kailangan sopan. Okay? I'm sure hindi katamong founder, together with our presidents and board of trustees and voting advisors namo, are very happy seeing the members very active. And likewise, kami po, po may kamali na ina-credit niya po yung grupo yun. At talaga pong kami we appreciate the activities you. And ako po, manaliwaka rin kayong officials, nakaasa ko po that we will be supportive in all your activities. I remember during the time of pandemic, pumupubalo nung kahit balo niyo po, yung presidente yung kata, kung tala nakata mo, ginawa ng improvised face shield. Just imagine, during that time, you're already one step ahead. When everybody was talking about face mask, you're thinking about coming up with improvised face mask to protect at then to protect our fellow Kapampangan. So, sana po, yung desire to help our fellow Kapampangan, kung kayo pong kapagnasan, ang po yung kayong pagiging active, sana po pagpatuloy tayo po. Tandaan ng tamo po, hindi po ng NGO lies on its member. Ito po manungkulan, kumbaga, they only set the direction. Pero po din tutulak para maging successful in itong NGO ating po din membro. So again, I would like to congratulate all of you in pong katamong blessing and inauguration. I'm sure this is only the start of a bigger and bolder AKPK activities. Congratulations po and may pag-aaral pa